Throughout human history, we've made incredible advancements in technology and science. Yet, despite all our progress, there are still many mysteries that scientists simply can't explain. From puzzling geological formations to ancient archaeological sites, these places continue to baffle researchers and captivate the imagination of curious minds around the world. In today's video, we're going to explore 15 mysterious places that scientists really can't explain. Let's dive in. Number 15. The Nazca Lines, Peru. Our first stop takes us to the deserts of Peru, where the mysterious Nazca Lines stretch across the arid landscape. The Nazca people, who lived here between 200 BCE and 600 CE, created these intricate geoglyphs by removing the reddish-brown iron oxide-coated stones from the surface, revealing the lighter earth beneath. What's so fascinating about the Nazca Lines is their sheer scale. These designs, ranging from simple geometric shapes to more complex depictions of animals, plants, and even humanoid figures, cover a massive area of 174 square miles. The most famous figures include the hummingbird, spider, monkey, and the astronaut, which looks eerily like a figure in a spacesuit. But why did the Nazca people create these massive drawings? Were they religious symbols, astronomical markers, or something else entirely? Scientists have long debated the purpose of the lines, with some suggesting they may have been part of ritual irrigation systems, used as markers for underground water sources, or even a way for the Nazca to communicate with the gods. One of the biggest mysteries is that the lines are best seen from above, yet the Nazca people had no way to view them from such a vantage point. How they planned and executed these massive designs from the ground is still a question that remains unanswered. Number 14. Lake Maracaibo, Venezuela. Next, we head to Venezuela to explore the strange phenomenon of Catatumbo lightning over Lake Maracaibo. Known as the everlasting storm, this natural light show occurs more frequently here than almost anywhere else on Earth. For up to 160 nights a year, intense thunderstorms light up the night sky, producing millions of lightning bolts annually. Incredibly, these storms can last for up to 10 hours each night, creating an almost supernatural atmosphere. But what causes this relentless lightning show? While scientists believe it's due to a combination of the region's unique topography, warm air from the Caribbean Sea, and cool air descending from the Andes Mountains, there's no definitive explanation for why it occurs so consistently in this one location. Some researchers even speculate that oil reserves and mineral deposits beneath the lake may play a role. Despite the ongoing research, the Catatumbo lightning remains one of nature's most awe-inspiring and least understood phenomena. Number 13. The Zone of Silence, Mexico. Our next stop takes us deep into the Chihuahuan Desert of Mexico, where a strange region known as the Zone of Silence has mystified researchers for decades. In this area, radio signals, electronic devices, and communication equipment often fail to work, earning it the name La Zona del Silencio, or the Zone of Silence. This electromagnetic disturbance has led to wild theories, from the idea that the region is a hotbed for extraterrestrial activity to claims that the area is rich in magnetic minerals. Locals also report sightings of strange lights and mysterious objects in the sky, further adding to the area's eerie reputation. Despite numerous scientific investigations, no one can fully explain why this happens. Could it be the region's high concentration of mineral deposits? Or is there something more otherworldly at work? For now, the Zone of Silence remains one of Earth's strangest and most intriguing anomalies. Number 12. The Dancing Forest, Russia. In Russia, on the Curonian Spit along the Baltic Sea, lies the enchanting yet baffling dancing forest. Here, a peculiar group of pine trees have twisted and contorted into strange shapes, spiraling like corkscrews and bowing as if caught mid-dance. The unusual growth patterns of these trees have puzzled scientists for years. One theory suggests that the trees' odd shapes are the result of strong coastal winds that sweep across the region, influencing their growth. Others believe that the trees may have grown this way due to sandy soil conditions or some unique microclimate specific to the Curonian Spit. Yet, no single explanation has been proven to account for why these trees look so drastically different from those in nearby forests. The dancing forest continues to baffle researchers and remains one of nature's most whimsical and unexplained creations. Number 11. The Devil's Kettle, Minnesota, USA. Deep in Judge C.R. Magny State Park in Minnesota, USA, lies a waterfall with a perplexing secret. Known as the Devil's Kettle, this waterfall splits into two streams, with one half flowing down the river and the other disappearing into a large hole in the ground. Where does this water go? That's the question scientists have been trying to answer for years. Despite various experiments, including dye tests, GPS trackers, and even dropping objects like ping-pong balls into the waterfall, nothing has ever re-emerged downstream. Yet, mysteriously, the volume of water in the river below the falls suggests that the missing water does eventually return. How it does so and where it travels in the process remains one of nature's unsolved mysteries. Number 10. Al-Nasla Rock, Saudi Arabia. In the middle of the Saudi Arabian desert stands Al-Nasla Rock, a large sandstone boulder that has been perfectly split in half, almost as if sliced by a laser. The precision of the split has sparked debates over whether the rock was split naturally or by human intervention thousands of years ago. Geologists generally believe that the rock was divided by tectonic forces or erosion, but the symmetrical nature of the split makes it difficult for some to accept this explanation. The fact that the massive rock still stands upright despite its precarious position adds to the mystery. Whether natural or man-made, Al-Nasla Rock continues to fascinate and baffle all who visit. Number 9. The Chocolate Hills, Philippines. The Chocolate Hills of the Philippines are a stunning natural wonder. Located on the island of Bohol, these conical hills get their name from the way the grass on their surface turns brown during the dry season, resembling mounds of chocolate. But the mystery lies in how these 1,776 individual hills were formed. Scientists believe the Chocolate Hills are the result of limestone weathering, coral deposits, and tectonic activity over millions of years. However, the exact reasons why these hills take on such a uniform shape, and why there are so many of them in one location, are still being investigated. Local folklore offers a more romantic explanation. The hills were formed from the tears of a heartbroken giant. Number 8. Tabby's Star, the Unexplained Dimming. When scientists first observed Tabby's Star, officially known as KIC 8462852, they noticed something very strange. Its light was dimming in a way that couldn't be easily explained. Usually, a star's light dims slightly when a planet passes in front of it, but Tabby's Star experienced dips in brightness of up to 20%, far more than could be caused by a planet. This mysterious phenomenon has led to various theories, ranging from a massive swarm of comets to an alien megastructure known as a Dyson sphere. While the alien theory has been mostly dismissed, the exact cause of Tabby's Star's strange behavior is still uncertain. It remains one of the most puzzling discoveries in modern astronomy. Number 7. The Eye of the Sahara, Mauritania. In the heart of the Sahara Desert, a massive geological formation known as the Eye of the Sahara or the Rikhat structure stretches 25 miles across the landscape. From above, the eye looks like a giant bull's eye, with concentric circles of sedimentary rock radiating outward. While originally thought to be an impact crater, scientists now believe the Eye of the Sahara was formed by geological uplift and erosion over millions of years. However, the precise cause of the circular shape and the central depression in the middle is still debated. Some researchers even suggest the structure could be the remnants of Atlantis, but for now, it remains a mystery. Number 6. The Sargasso Sea, Atlantic Ocean. The Sargasso Sea is a mysterious part of the North Atlantic Ocean, unique because it has no land boundaries and is surrounded by 4 powerful ocean currents. This sea is home to vast floating mats of sargassum seaweed, which create a thriving ecosystem for marine life. What makes the Sargasso Sea so enigmatic is that it seems to defy normal oceanic behavior. Scientists are still unsure how the seaweed manages to stay afloat in such large quantities, and how the sea itself remains a distinct body of water without mixing with the surrounding ocean. It's also home to the North Atlantic Garbage Patch, where plastic debris accumulates, making it a key area of study for oceanographers. Number 5. The Bolivar Mountain Stone Mushrooms, Russia. In the remote Karelia region of Russia stands Bolivar Mountain, known for its bizarre stone mushrooms, rock formations that look like giant mushrooms, some towering as high as 30 feet. The thin stems of these rock formations make them appear as if they could topple over at any moment, but they've stood firm for centuries. Geologists are divided on how these formations came to be. Some believe they were shaped by glacial activity, while others suggest they could be the result of seismic events or underground rivers. Whatever their origin, these stone mushrooms continue to captivate and perplex all who see them. Number 4. The Halland Lights, Norway. In Norway's remote Hessdalen Valley, strange lights have been reported since the early 1980s. Known as the Halland Lights, these glowing orbs of light dart across the night sky, sometimes hovering, sometimes moving erratically. Despite decades of study, scientists are still unsure what causes these lights. Some theories suggest the lights are caused by ionized gas or plasma, while others believe they may be related to geological activity in the region. Whatever the cause, the Halland Lights remain one of the world's most well-documented but unexplained phenomena, drawing UFO enthusiasts and curious tourists alike. Number 3. Saturn's hexagonal storm. Far beyond Earth, on the gas giant Saturn, lies one of the strangest weather phenomena in our solar system, a massive hexagonal storm at the planet's North Pole. This six-sided vortex, first discovered by the Voyager spacecraft in the 1980s, is over 20,000 miles wide and has winds reaching up to 200 miles per hour. Scientists are still trying to figure out how this hexagonal shape forms, with theories ranging from jet streams to atmospheric waves. Despite numerous observations from spacecraft like Cassini, the exact cause of Saturn's hexagonal storm remains a mystery. Number 2. The Taos Hum, New Mexico, USA. In the small town of Taos, New Mexico, some residents report hearing a persistent low-frequency noise known as the Taos Hum. Described as a faint buzzing or humming sound, the noise has baffled scientists for decades. What's particularly strange is that not everyone can hear it. Despite investigations by acoustic experts and government agencies, no one has been able to identify the source of the hum. Some believe it could be caused by industrial machinery, while others think it's a form of mass hysteria. Until the mystery is solved, those who hear it are left searching for answers. Number 1. The Devil's Sea, Pacific Ocean. Our final stop takes us to the Pacific Ocean, where the Devil's Sea or Dragon's Triangle has been the site of mysterious disappearances for centuries. Located between Japan, Guam, and the Bonin Islands, this area is often compared to the Bermuda Triangle, with ships and planes vanishing without a trace. Some believe the disappearances are due to underwater volcanic activity, while others think there may be more supernatural forces at play. The USS Cyclops, a massive U.S. Navy cargo ship, famously disappeared in the Devil's Sea in 1918, and to this day, no one knows what happened to it. Whatever the cause, the Devil's Sea continues to be one of the ocean's most mysterious and dangerous regions. And there you have it, 15 of the most mysterious places that scientists just can't explain. From ancient geoglyphs to modern-day disappearances, these locations continue to baffle and intrigue researchers around the world. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more fascinating content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.